I help people focus on creating new beginnings because I know just how important it is to each of us to be certain that we provide clarity, consistency, and comfort for our families in the future. My name's John Zenner. I'm a family law attorney. Today, I want to talk to you all about something that happens quite frequently. A man or a woman come into my office and they say, John, how can I keep my property? And guess what? I always have the same answer for them: preparation. And that's what I want to talk about to you today. Like with everything else, most of life is about preparation. A divorce and a marriage are all about preparation as well. So, the first thing you need to keep in mind if you want to be certain you keep all of your property is a prenuptial agreement or a postnuptial agreement. Many people forget that, in fact, you don't have to have an agreement about dividing up property before the marriage. You can incorporate that after the marriage. It's just a different name. Instead of prenuptial, it's postnuptial, and it works. And I'm finding more and more people today in their 30s, because people are not getting married like me when I was a kid. I got married at 21. The fact of the matter is most people are waiting to their 30s to get married. So they have more assets, more debts, more concerns to worry about. So it's really the younger generation who are doing pre and post-nuptial agreements. Those agreements can outline exactly what you're going to do with your property. It can outline exactly what you're going to do to pay your bills going forward. And most importantly, what real smart people do is every time a new asset is brought into the marriage, they amend their postnuptial or prenuptial agreement to convey what it is they want. The second thing I want you to do is be certain that you keep a record and maintain evidence of what the intention of you and your spouse has been over the years by showing that, in fact, you kept all of your economic items separate and apart from one another. You had separate checking accounts, separate savings accounts, separate credit cards. You never, ever paid one another's bills. And that will show to the court exactly what your intention was: to not be an economic partnership, but rather to have economically lived separate from the marriage. The third thing I want you to remember is that in the future, as you receive items that are separate property, keep them separate. Know what separate property is. You get a gift, put it separately in your own account. Don't commingle it in any joint account. You receive a negligence award because of a car accident, separate, located separately. You receive an inheritance, same thing. Always be certain that you do not commingle that which would be separate property into a joint account or use it for utilization to pay marital bills. If you want to have a happy divorce, what you need to do is have a prenuptial or postnuptial agreement. Or, like your grandmother always told you, prepare for the future and any eventuality in the future. So if you want to do that, give me a call at the number below and we'll be of great help to you, I assure you. Thanks and have a great day.